We live in an era of total input. Every second, someone is trying to sell you a dream, a fear, or a lifestyle. But while your environment has changed, your biology hasn't. You are a modern human with an ancient operating system. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. The Stoic asks one question: is this up to me? If it's an algorithm, the answer is no. If it's your reaction to it, an answer is yes. Our digital world keeps us in a pleasure-pain balance. Every notification gives a hit of dopamine, but it's followed by a come down. The Stoics called this apatheia, not being emotionless, but being free from irrational passions. Morning silence, spend 5 minutes imagining the distractions of the day. Decide now that you will not let them break your focus. Selective ignorance, you don't need to have an opinion on everything. Be content to appear clueless. Digital sunset, turn off the world 2 hours before bed. Your mind needs to return to its natural state. In a world that profits from your distraction, being focused is an act of rebellion. Control your mind. Honor the world will control it for you.